Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. I'm going to walk you through some of the steps that I do for a custom order. I had a customer saw this Red Bull X-MAXX body on my eBay store and he wanted to make a request to have this body painted on a Losi 5T. So, of course, I can do it. So I took the order, and what I'm going to do is get started on this. I'm going to walk you through basically some of the steps. We take the first piece of the Losi 5T, we wash it and we prep it. I'm using painter's tape to block off all of the areas and make the custom headlights and the bottom bumper and the front end. And then I'm going to basically bring up my software for my plotter so I can cut all of the lettering that's going to go on the inside of the body. When you cut this lettering, you want to cut it in reverse. You want to flip it over because it has to go on the inside of the body. And that way when you paint it and you peel it out, the letters will be facing you so that you can actually read it. It won't be in reverse, it won't be backwards. So plotter's cutting, and then I'm going to weed all of the excess away to leave my lettering just for the front end portion. So now I'm going to use some more painter's tape to pull the lettering off so that I can at this point apply it to the body in the places where I want, like so. So I apply these lettering on the inside of the body on both sides all around in the same placement that I had on the X-MAXX body. And once that's done and completed, then this body basically is ready to be painted. I'll take a little spray and a little water and wipe out any fingerprints or any grease that may have come from my hand or tape in the process of putting the lettering down. And now I'm in the painting booth and it's ready to get painted. So the first color I'm going to use is a candy yellow, and I spray a couple of coats of this on and I dry it. I don't really have to worry about the overspray coming up because I'm going to go darker in transition. So from the yellow, I spray a metallic orange, and it's slightly transparent, which works out well because the next color is red. Just a basic red. These are all water-based paints, Createx and Auto Air. And then I back all of those colors in white, and I spray about 3 coats. My paint is mixed 1-to-1. That's 1 part paint, 1 part water. Now I've peeled off all of my lettering, the headlights, the front bumper, all of the pieces, because they're all going to be sprayed in black. And as you can see, the lines are nice and clean and crisp. You have to be careful when you peel them out because you could pull paint up, so take your time. Now I backed the entire thing in black because all of my lettering is black, and it's basically done. About 3 coats of black. Here's the overspray from the outside, and once you peel this away, bam, you get this incredibly looking transition from red to orange to yellow, and you get the black lettering. And again, it's nice, it's crisp. All of the letters and even the outlines are nice and straight. There's no bleeding. I haven't applied a clear coat to the underside yet, and this is just the first section of this particular piece of work, but the rest will follow in a future video that I'm working on. It takes a little time to actually prep all of these pieces, but on average, a body like this, once I have all of the lettering in and everything is prepped, I can paint this body in about 1.5 hours. So I just wanted to do the front section so you guys can get a really good look at how the colors of the transitions work, as well as the lettering. So with the plotter that I'm using, which is a Silhouette Cameo, it lets you do your letters and your designs and import them, and then you can get painting and you should be good to go. So stay tuned for part 2, where I will show you how I paint the centerpiece, the 2 rear pieces, the rear panels, and the number plates. I'm going to paint all of that in part 2. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell for notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.